Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Facebook Dating Mobile. So first is you have to open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Okay, so this application right here. And once you're in your feed, you just have to scroll down and you'd be able to see this section right here. So you can try Facebook dating. And if you cannot find this section right here, so you just have to go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the three horizontal lines. Okay, so this one. Now you just have to scroll down till you can find the dating section. Okay, so this one right here, you just have to click on it. And then this section will open. So welcome to the Facebook dating. So new ways to date, 100% free and privacy first. So you just have to click on the get started option, this one at the bottom. And this is an important note that we won't suggest current Facebook friends within dating, and we won't share activity with anyone outside of dating. So after reading this, just have to click on the next button, this one at the bottom. And then right here, just have to start building your dating profile. So you gotta edit everything right here so your dating profile is visible to anyone in dating. So this information is based on your Facebook profile. So to begin, you just have to set up your first name. So just click on it, and then your first name comes from your Facebook profile. So it will only update in dating. Now you just have to type out right here your age and then your gender. And of course, if you have a company, then you can edit this one as well. And then just click on next. And then you just have to choose who do you want to date. So woman, man, or everyone. And then you just have to click on next. Now, if you want to be friends with new people, so Facebook dating has a new friendship feature that lets you meet new people and see where it goes. So you just have to select the gender. Either you want to be friends with women, men, or everyone. And then once you finalize your preferences, just click on next. And then right here, you just have to type out how tall are you. If you want to be specific, then you can click on it. Or you can also skip this part if you don't want it to appear on your profile. So you just scroll down and then find your height. And then once you find your height, you just have to select it. Then just have to click on next. So right here, if you want to answer this question, if you do you have kids, so just have to select one of this. And if you want to skip this, then skip this part. Okay, so for this part, I'm just going to select one and then just click on next after. So right here, if you want to add your educational level, so you can also go with high school diploma, college degree, grad school degree, or prefer not to say. Or you can simply skip this part as well. And then just click on next once you selected your educational level. So right here, where you're dating, so dating uses location services to suggest matches near you. So turning on location services also helps Facebook provide more relevant experiences outside of dating. So you just have to click on continue and you have to allow Facebook to access your location. So Facebook uses this to provide more relevant and personalized experiences. So you just have to click on allow, and then just have to select while using the app only this time. And then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds until Facebook find your location. And then once you're done, you just have to click on next. Then right here, you just have to upload your photo. So what's your best photo? So you can use your current Facebook profile, or you can simply upload a new one. And then once you have selected your best photo, then you just have to simply click on next. And right here, you'd be able to see your details. So you can view my dating profile, what am I agreeing to. And once you're ready to review the details, then you can just simply click on confirm. Okay, and if you want to edit some of your details, you just have to simply click on go back and then fill out the needed information. So of course, dating is better when we play by the rules. So you have to be respectful. Remember that the person behind each profile, if there's no connection, be polite and simply move on. Next is to put safety first, of course, to be careful when sharing sensitive information. Remember to report bad behavior even if it happens outside of dating. And of course, you have to stay true to you. So, any information you add to your profile should be authentically you. That includes your name, age, and location. And then put up a face to the name. So, make sure most of your photos show your face. So, pics with friends are fun, but it's great to have photos of just you too. And of course, you have to promote yourself, not your business. So, profiles can be used to sell, advertise, or solicit goods or services. And once you're done reading all of the rules, then just have to simply click on next. And then right here, you'd be able to find people who are also using dating near your location. So you just have to simply scroll down. And if you think you like this person, then just have to simply click on like. And if you want to know more about their details, so you just have to simply click on your profile and then just scroll down. Now, if you cannot find matches yet, so try making your profile a conversation piece. You just have to go back here in the dating profile details, and then you have to fill out all of this information. So for your intros, anyone in dating can see your, intro. So don't share phone number, address, or email. For here, you have to describe yourself. For example, you are friendly, you're humble, you're cute. So you can simply type it out right here in the description section. And then just have to scroll down right here, and you have to make sure that all of the important details are present. Okay, so if you want to add your hometown, then you can simply click on add hometown and type it out right here. Then here, if you want to add work and education, so you can also add job, company, add high school, add college, or add grad school. And for your lifestyle, if you're smoking or drinking, then you can just simply add this right here, because you have to be true to yourself, and so that people would not be shocked if you start talking and then they'll find out that you're smoking or drinking. But there's actually nothing wrong about drinking or smoking as long as you're a good person. Now, if you want to preview your profile and if you want to see the full details of your profile, so you just have to click on this preview button right here, and then just have to scroll down, and you'd be able to see your profile picture, your location, how tall are you, your company, and then your lifestyle. And if you think your profile is good to go, now you can browse through the dating feed and then find the best match for you. So whenever you open Facebook, you just have to go to these three horizontal lines and go to the dating section, and then you can browse here to different people who are using dating near you. And if you're interested to that specific person, then you just have to simply click on their profile. And if you slide to your left or right, you'll be able to see here different profiles that are actually using Facebook dating. So if you're interested to specific person, so you just have to simply slide to your right. And if you're not interested, so just swipe to your left. Okay, so you just have to find the best match for your preferences. And if you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.